Purpose of plunge pool in your house. Dear friends, also known as a dipping pool, the plunge pool is a perfect compromise when space in your yard is at a premium. You can enjoy all the benefits of a pool, in a much smaller area. At the most basic level, a plunge pool is merely a highly compact swimming pool. Generally, only a little larger than a hot tub. Most plunge pools are between 4 to 7 meters in length, 2 to 3 meters wide, and typically only about 1.2 meters deep. Their smaller size allows a plunge pool to be installed in areas a traditional pool cannot fit, like along the side of a smaller lot, tucked in by a wall or a fence, or even in an enclosed area of your home. Giving you all the benefits of a pool, without sacrificing space. A plunge pool is really just a smaller version of a traditional swimming pool, and it works in much the same way. They're normally installed in-ground, though there are concrete and fiberglass resin models for an above-ground alternative, and will have all of the same filters and pumps as their larger swimming pool counterparts. Now, plunge pools are primarily used for two main activities. The first is relaxation. It gives yourself and your family a space to play and enjoy in the water, lounging poolside with a nice area to cool off when you need a dip. You can even install jets like a jacuzzi in the seating areas to turn a plunge pool into a massage pool. The second is aquatic rehabilitation. Many people use plunge pools for low-impact exercise and recovery, and you have the option of also adding resistance jet machines into your plunge pool, turning it into a useful space for swim training and exercise. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.